Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by enabling Apple Intelligence and syncing iCloud so your notes and files are accessible across devices. Next, create a study collection named for the subject and set clear goals and time blocks. This helps the model prioritize. Then import core materials, PDF, lecture notes, and representative questions into the collection so the assistant can analyze them. Once done, make sure tags and metadata are consistent. This speeds search and ensures focused responses. Now ask Apple Intelligence to produce targeted study artifacts, concise summaries, flashcards, and custom practice problems based on your collection. Request concept comparisons and step-by-step walkthroughs for complex topics, and ask for visual layout suggestions you can sketch. Once you receive output, iterate, correct any inaccuracies, add context from your readings, and request alternate explanations if one approach doesn't stick. By refining responses, you teach the assistant your needs and shape progressively better study materials and schedules. Finish by turning the generated content into active study. Run timed quizzes and spaced repetition flashcards created by the assistant and grade yourself honestly. Export polished summaries and cards to Notes, PDF, or your flashcard app for repeated review, and schedule review cadence using the assistant's recommendations. If outputs are inaccurate or incomplete, reindex your files, clarify prompts with specific examples, and check iCloud sync. If problems persist, toggle Apple Intelligence off and on to refresh model context and try again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.